Now, let's look at business classification. That is the various ways in which you can classify a business. Now, business can be classified in broad two ways. Now, the first classification of business might be classified, that business can be classified according to their size. That is, according to size. And also could be classified according to the ownership. To their ownership. Now, if you want to look at the size, in that case we categorize business to be small business, and we are talking of small businesses, that is small business organizations. The example under small businesses, we have sole proprietorship. That is one-man business. Under that is anything you can call a small business. We also have a partnership business as part of the smaller businesses. So after small business, under according to size, let's remember this is according to size. So we have small businesses and also large. If this is 1, this is 2, and large or big business organization. And under that, example of that, we have limited liability companies. We have limited liability companies. Part of large business also is a public corporations. That is those that are owned by governments. Corporations. So, and some cooperative societies. Cooperative societies. So these are the classification according to size of the business. We say we have small size and larger or bigger business organization. So we are talking of classification according to ownership. Let's look at the ownership now. Under ownership, you have private business and public enterprises. So these are the classification by ownership. And under private business, those businesses that are owned privately, they are also sole proprietorship. Under this, we have partnership. Under this, we have cooperative societies. Also, under private ownership, we have limited liability companies. So, these are the privately owned businesses. And we are talking of public businesses. Under public business, we have corporations. That is such as Water Corporation, corporation and other government companies, which we know as corporations. And another part of public enterprises, we have municipal enterprises. These are the businesses that are owned by local governments. So that is what we have as categorization according to the ownership. So that is on that.